Waking up the next day, I gotta make a play. Feeling grateful today, I gotta meditate. Light up the sage, roll up a joint, gorilla glue, type of date. Every day, switching up the strains. Waking up to a bad bitch, giving me brain. Change my ways on a different frequency. I don't eat meat, but I still serve that beef. Better not fuck with me, always got that heat. Hit you with the right hood, make your ass fall asleep. Booked a trip, first class seats, wanna fly overseas. Just touched down in H&D, yeah. H&D, yeah. Tapped into a different frequency. I've been mobbing on a different frequency. Frequency. I've been broke, now I'm rich. Met this bitch, made her strip. There's some cash on her tits, yeah. I've been broke, now I'm rich. Met this bitch, made her strip. There's some cash on her tits, yeah. Yo, what up, everybody? Top of the top. Welcome back to another video. This video is gonna be a little different. Something new we're adding to the channel because I am bringing you a motherfucking sponsorship video. This video is brought to you by Tuning, which is a new phone mount company made specifically for 10th gen Hondas. They specialize in Civics, and they went ahead and released a specifically made phone mount that goes on top of our screen, where we don't have to buy those universal mounts that you put on a suction, the little suction cups on the windshield, and they fall when it gets hot. Shout out to Tuning. I'm gonna leave all the info below, link in the bio, so you can go ahead and check out their catalog of phone mounts that they do offer. And thank you, man. Thank y'all for supporting the channel. Thank you for supporting Life with Drewskiii, and hopefully many more collaboration or working with companies in the future. You know, they've been on back order for a while, so they've been bombarded with orders. But from what I've seen and the stuff they sent me, bruh, this shit looks legit. So number one, let's start off with the packaging. Look at the packaging. What company is really sending y'all a package that's like a chrome anodized matte red? That, to me, packaging is everything. You know what I mean? So the fact that they're going out of their way, not only is it a bubble wrap, but the fact that they went out of their way for it to be a matte red is dope as fuck. Automatically they get points for that, so that's fucking dope. Look at that, y'all. The packaging is amazing. So let's go ahead and open it. Brand new. Here's the box. So let's go ahead and bust this shit open. Again, shout out Tuning, link below, and y'all see it before me. Bam. So simple packaging, no instructions. So there goes their logo. There is no instructions, but I'm gonna assume this goes right here. You go ahead and twist it to the left. You put the ball in here. Here, click, and then you twist it to the right. Cool. So the quality, okay. So the side guards right here, this seem cold, so I'm assuming it might be made out of some type of metal, which is good. The plastic looks good. I like the little touch right here with the little, like, kind of like the holographic type of vibe with the little holder at the bottom, so you can put your cable right there. Simple, nice and simple. It seems like it's some good quality. But oh, that's cool. So this right here is for the emergency button. So it's this. So this phone mount goes in between your vents where the emergency button goes. Let's go ahead and install it. All right, y'all. This is where it is. Build quality is good. This is the little hole I was talking about, and it goes in between your vents like so. Pretty dope, pretty simple. And just press it in, push on it, make sure it clicks down. Bam. Yo, the fitment on this is so fucking cool, yo. I love how it just made Look at that, like that shit looks OEM. Yo, I like it. Let's try out the phone. Yo, look at that. Tell me that's not sick. So yeah, you guys, you're in the market for a phone mount, go ahead, link in the bio, diet tuning, made specifically for your 10th gen, from a hatch to a Civic to a SI to a Type R. Hell yeah, I like this. Check out the engineering behind this. So when your phone goes on here, the weight of the phone pushes it down, and that's what makes it lock on 4 sides. Tell me that's not fucking dope, y'all. Link in bio, link in bio. Came back from the bay, went for 3 days. Damn, what can I say? Drove the R from LA. Get out of my way, don't give a fuck what you say. Like a lion,